She wanna come with me, I get it. She wanna come feel me, I get it. Diamonds that said she want it, I get it.
Shawty want all of me and I get it. Last day of our lives, I'm beginning. The one that she wants cause I keep me a weapon. Real nigga that keep it real when he reppin'.
Certified flexer, just flexing the beat.
We're rolling. What's up, YouTube? 2 days after my birthday. Still kind of a little hungover, but it is what it is. Got my boy Shmumpy, it's his birthday. We got him a gift, yo. Let me show the viewers the gift. You guys tell me if it's hard. Something's a little too nonchalant for this gift, but we got him this gift anyway. Should I put it on, Connor?
Yeah, put it on.
Show him. So the reason why the video took so long to come out is because the camera is at my cousin's house. So that's why this video took a little longer than usual to come out. But this video's a banger. Thanks for all the support on the first video. The likes, the views. Come show them the sweater, the Travis Scott hoodie. Is it tough?
I think it's tough, man.
I think it's tough, man.
It's just
like, look at this. It's tough. No, and this is the back.
Yeah, show the back, man.
The front.
Hold it.
Happy birthday to Shmumpy.
Zip it up. Put the hoodie on, too. Do the whole thing.
Hoodie on. I don't want to ruin the hair, you know, but is there anything on the hood? No.
Yeah.
There is? It's tough. That's what it is, bro. But yeah, this video is just more about my birthday. That's why you're going to see in the rest of this video what we did on my birthday. Wasn't even supposed to happen, though, so all real ones. Shout out to my boy Connie behind the camera.
Yes, sir.
It's the biggest snowstorm of the season so far, and it's happening right now. Environment Canada has issued a snowfall warning for Toronto and the GTA, and officials are urging residents to stay home.
Yeah, I got it.
We're pushing the whip. Yo, you trying to help? I feel like a dick not helping. Don't worry, we got you. We got you. My sisters, I love the sisters. We got you. No, I can't believe we're doing this right now.
No, yo, they need help, they need help. Yo, they got no winter tires, what the fuck?
No winter tires. That's how you know Canadian people.
You can't give up. You gotta push it.
Though.
You gotta push it. Go. You gotta help.
Reverse because they're in a. There you go. Now, right here. Right? They're gonna go there?
Yeah, bro, go.
Right there's the. But yo, this is a crazy way to start the video. Turning 20. You know how it is, man. Second video. This morning we went crazy. They're not going home, they're going to, you guys are going to the club, right?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my goodness.
When you go home, I hope you can say.
The snow, yo. Show them the snow. This is crazy, yo. Like, how are we doing this right now?
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy, yo. We're about to fall. I'm going to fall too, I can't lie. It's like, I'm already tipsy, look. You know? That's because like, there's not only going to be pictures in the club. You gotta get the
Josh, what are your last words as a 19-year-old?
I don't know, yo. I just want to say, everyone just subscribe and like the video. Because, yo, 2025 is going to be a big year. And I'm ready. This is my dog. He's a jeweler. Go check out his page. I'm going to link his page right now, actually. Neo Soul Settings. My boy's an engineer, too.
Damn, the hoodie's like dancing.
My hoodie's dancing. Yo, shout out to Showroom Season, bro. I like this. I like this hoodie a lot. It's really comfortable. I didn't even need a jacket. She's in flip-flops. This is Canadian clubbing. This is it.
He had him, bro. He had him in the bag. I know. What happened, bro?
I like them. Don't worry. Chill. Listen to me.
How's the night so far? What's going on? What's going on?
Balance, bro. My dog.
What's going on? How's the night so far?
My night is fucking fantastic.
Yeah.
Bro, best club I've been to in my life.
Yeah. Take a shot. Take a shot. Yeah. The camera on that big fella. Hey, buddy, take a shot. You're not slick. Tell him you're not slick. There we go.
You want it in the car?
Yes, bro.
Yo, they charge you twice, gang. Cook.
Yeah. What's going on your week right now?
Are you sleepy at this time?
Anger management. Anger management. Do a drill.
Yo, my fucking new tracksuit hard as fuck.
The whole water fucking water on me. The whole fucking water on me.
It wasn't even me. It wasn't even me. It wasn't even me.
Shorty, everything I desire. Girl, I really like what we got going on. I hope you don't change on me, nah, nah, nah. Shorty really fine like the summertime. She make the ting hot like a sauna, nah. Run it up and make it last with you. We could go where you want, nah, nah.